Good afternoon, sir. In this video, I will demonstrate how to scan for vulnerabilities using Burpsuite. I will show how to intercept requests for form SQL injection, XSS attack, and identify and secure object reference. That's all. Then see you in the for activity. I will upload. That's all. Thank you. Now I'll be doing the IDOR attack on your system or to look your URL bars such as localhost, HTTP localhost, user profile.php. Modify the parameter, change the ID value to other user ID for the request and such. If you want to access another user, provide our data. Then in Altoro in account, balance detail, we will be changing it to like it can be less account. I will be changing it into 5. Then forward it. Oh, let's try again. Select account. Why it's 2? Okay. Now I will be trying bank detail. I will change it to 5. Then forward. And this like this. It go to 8,000,005 checking. And this they can the hackers or attackers, they can access or modify the user's data, bank info, personal data. They can perform unauthorized actions, delete or update on your bank account, or they can edit the deposit or withdrawal in Altoro. And how to prevent this? Always validate user permission. Server side, never trust just the parameter. Confirm the current user on the resource. You can use this like this F session to and this use this as to validate your bank account, like they cannot